Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your drive. Next thing you need to do is to go to File. It's going to take you right here. Now, for you to move any file to a folder, what you need to do is to select that particular file. For instance, I want to move this MS document file to this particular folder from the top right here. How do we do that? What we want to do is to go ahead and then click and hold down on the file that we want to move. Having click and hold down, it's going to select, just like what you see right here. You can select as many as possible files. I'm going to select this particular employee form also. Once you select the file, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. The next thing you need to do is to click on Move. Next thing you need to do is to click on the folder. Then click on Move Here. Then click on Move. And all the file will be moved to that particular folder right here. So let's check it out. Now you have the file right here. The first file and the second file. Is that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.